War for the Net, a Net Neutrality Campaign by Kimo Pamatorn. So what's net neutrality? Net neutrality is the principle that internet service providers should allow access to any and all internet content without blocking some web services while favoring others. But why did I select this as a topic? Mainly because it's an important topic that relates to journalism and truth, and it affects us all. The first project of the campaign is the content map. The three main topics of the content map are journalism, truth, and net neutrality. Each main topic is split into a subtopic. Each main topic and every subtopic has a clear definition. My intention was to have every topic read as a full sentence. For example, starting from journalism, journalism is creating and gathering information in preparation to be broadcasted to the general public. Journalism has a subject, which is the person or thing of focus. A subject requires sources, which are a person, place, or thing into which something can be obtained from, to arrive at a conclusion, the final result or end decision of an event. And it continues on like that for a while. The second project of the campaign was the poster. I had a lot of different ideas of how I wanted to illustrate net neutrality, but I decided to go with the Twitter bird instead of crosshairs because of how sinister the idea sounded. I went with the tagline, "Don't let the FCC target our media sources. Support net neutrality." The message itself is simple and easy to understand. I think anybody that saw this poster in public and didn't know what net neutrality was would want to learn more about it. Project 3 for the campaign was the booth. I couldn't figure out how to incorporate a sniper rifle into my outdoor booth, so I went with a birdcage instead. The birdcage sits on a pedestal with a different fact on each of its sides. For example, 21.7 million public comments were made to the FCC concerning net neutrality. Half of them appear to be fake. And on a different side, 83% of Americans support net neutrality. Similar to the poster idea, I think anybody that saw the Twitter bird locked in a cage would immediately understand what net neutrality is about. And the last project for the campaign was the brochure. Using the same idea as the booth, the front page of the pamphlet has a Twitter bird locked in a birdcage. When you open the first page of the pamphlet, more information about net neutrality is revealed. You could also see what people think about net neutrality and who's responsible for protecting our internet rights. And when you open the pamphlet even further, you could read about who's targeting net neutrality, what happens if net neutrality dies, activity during the vote for net neutrality, and what we could do to save net neutrality. And that concludes the War for the Net campaign. Make the internet great again by supporting net neutrality.